Grabe naman yan. Parang apocalyptic. Kung kahit anong yaman mo,
Just be okay.
basta
You're gonna be
nature.
okay. Hi.
May aso pa.
You're gonna be okay.
Grabe.
Don't worry about that, dude.
Masuffocate ka dyan. Sinend lang sa akin to ng kaibigan ko from California. Ganito na kalala yung nangyayari doon.
The plastic is gone, dude.
Ayun. Ano yun? Alam nyo, sana mas marami ng tao makarealize na ang Bible hindi fairy tale. Jesus is coming back soon. Wow! What? Paano ba nagsisimula to? Sa init ba yan? Alam nyo ba guys? O may napanood kasi ako, man-made daw to eh. Pero ngayon ko lang nakita tong mga clips na to. Wildfire, grabe. Lord, we pray more people will come to know you and understand the gospel of salvation.